Most people look at Fiverr and Upwork and think, yeah, people are making money, but not million-dollar money. But that's wrong. There are agencies, editors, designers, and even beginners who have built systems and scaled to $1 million per year or more. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 high-demand services you can offer right now that real freelancers are already making 7 figures from. Some of them are easy to start. Some require skills. Some only require team building. But all 10 can scale massively if you do them right. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more money-making videos like this every week. Service number 1. Website design and development. Web design is huge. A single website can go anywhere from $3,000 to $50,000, depending on the size of the business. Fiverr and Upwork have thousands of people offering web design. Yes, but the ones who hit 7 figures? They don't sell $50 gigs. They sell complete website packages. UI, UX, SEO, branding, hosting, maintenance. You utilize templates, systems, and a small team to deliver results quickly. And when a business needs a redesign every 2 to 3 years, they come back. Service number 2. Search engine optimization. SEO is one of the most profitable recurring services on the planet. Companies pay anywhere from $2,500 to $20,000 a month for search engine optimization. Not one time, every single month. This is why SEO agencies scale so fast. Even with just 10 clients at $5,000 per month, you're already at $600,000 per year, and that's on the low end. Add a team of writers, link builders, and analysts, and you're well over $1 million. If you want to save time and scale faster, just use the DashClicks platform to outsource your SEO services and operate your agency effortlessly. I will leave the link in the description. Service number 3. YouTube video editing. YouTubers are exploding right now, and almost none of them edit their own videos. Long-form video editors charge $1,500 per month for beginners, $3,000 to $7,000 for mid-level, $10,000 plus for top creators. Imagine having 20 creators on monthly retainers. That's your first $1 million. Plus, you can expand into thumbnails, script writing, repurposing content, and channel management. Creators want a full team, and they pay for it. Service number 4. Short-form content creation. This is the easiest way to hit 7 figures today. Businesses want 30 to 60 videos per month because short-form content gets attention fast. Coaches, real estate agents, influencers, Shopify store owners, all of them need constant content. Packages go for basic, $2,000 per month, premium, $5,000 per month, agency level, $10,000 to $15,000 per month. If you build a team of 5 to 10 editors and create a repeatable system, this becomes a $1 million agency in months, not years. Service number 5. Paid ads management. Paid ads are powerful because businesses don't think emotionally here. They think ROI. If you can run Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, businesses will happily pay $1,000 to $20,000 per month to get customers consistently. Many agencies also charge a percentage of ad spend. Handle $100,000 to $200,000 in monthly ad spend. You take home a huge chunk. Service number 6. AI automation and chatbot systems. This is the future. Companies want to automate everything. Lead qualification, customer support, sales follow-ups, booking systems, chatbots. Automation projects sell anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 each. Businesses pay because automation literally saves them employees. You can also offer monthly support retainers. Very easy recurring income. Service number 7. Branding and graphic design. Graphic design can be cheap, but branding is expensive. A good brand identity package costs anywhere from $3,000 to $50,000. And clients love buying bundles, logos, color palettes, brand guidelines, packaging, social media templates. If you run this as an agency with 3 to 5 designers, you can churn out multiple projects per month and scale fast. Service number 8. Copywriting. Copywriting is one of the most valuable skills in business because words sell, and companies will pay anything that helps them make money. Email copywriters charge $100 to $500 per email. Sales page writers charge $1,000 to $20,000 per page. Full funnels go up to $5,000 to $50,000. Bring in a small team of skilled writers and boom, you've got $1 million agency that prints money. Service number 9. Mobile app development. App development is one of the highest priced services on Fiverr and Upwork. Even a basic app costs $10,000 to $30,000. A more advanced app? $50,000, $100,000, even $250,000 plus. If you run a team of developers or even outsource, you can scale incredibly fast. Service number 10. Virtual assistant, outsourcing team. This one is underrated but extremely profitable. A VA in countries like India, the Philippines, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh may cost $4 to $8 per hour. Companies are willing to pay $15 to $40 per hour for the same work. You keep the margin. Offer packages like admin VA, real estate VA, ecom VA, customer support VA, research VA. With just 50 clients on monthly packages, you cross $1 million per year easily. So those were the 10 most profitable Fiverr and Upwork services that you can scale to $1 million per year. Remember, the goal isn't to sell $5 gigs. The goal is to build systems, create packages, and eventually grow a team. If you want me to make a step-by-step video on how to start any of these services, comment service name below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.